Hi guys, Dr. Eilbra here. So recently I had a question about which oil is better in regards to cooking, nutrition, and health benefits. So in this video, we'll look at 3 different oils and why you should try to incorporate them into your diet and lifestyle every day because of their massive health benefits for your overall health. Now, the first oil that we'll look at is coconut oil. Now, coconut oil contains a compound called lauric acid, which gives coconut oil its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Coconut oil is also rich in vitamin E, which is great for hair, skin, and nail health. Coconut oil is a saturated fat, and many people know of saturated fats as being bad fats, right? Saturated fats are found in animal products such as milk, cheese, and meat, but the saturated fat that's found in coconut oil is actually a good fat, which helps to reduce cholesterol. Now, you can go ahead and add coconut oil into your smoothies. You can go ahead and mix it with your rice. You can even cook and bake with coconut oil, and studies show that the heating limitation of coconut oil is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can go ahead and cook and bake with coconut oil at high temperatures. Now, there's a huge list of health benefits of coconut oil, but some of which includes aids in digestion, boosts energy, fights Alzheimer's disease, and it helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Now, the second oil that we'll look at is olive oil. Now, olive oil is a monosaturated fat that's good for the heart. It helps to lubricate joints, and it helps to balance out hormones. Just like coconut oil, olive oil has vitamin E, which is great in hair, skin, and nail health. Olive oil has vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. So for those that are on anticoagulants such as warfarin, such as aspirin and Plavix, you want to be careful not to consume large amounts of olive oil because it can interact with those medications. Now, olive oil contains plant compounds called polyphenols that provides the antioxidant properties of the olive oil. Now, you can go ahead and drizzle olive oil into your salads. You can go ahead and cook and bake with olive oil. Studies show that the heating limitation of olive oil is up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a little lower than coconut oil. So you want to make sure that you don't cook at high temperatures or bake at high temperatures with olive oil. Now, there's a huge list of health benefits of olive oil, but some of which includes reducing blood pressure, reducing cholesterol. It also is great in heart health. Studies show a decrease in cardiovascular disease in patients that did consume olive oil. Now, the third oil that we'll look at is avocado oil. Now, avocado oil is a monosaturated omega-9 fatty acid that's called oleic acid, which helps to reduce inflammation in the body. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins such as vitamin B1, called thiamine, which helps in nerve and muscle function, vitamin B5 called pantothenic acid, which helps to reduce anxiety, stress, and depression, vitamin B6 called pyridoxine, which helps to support the immune system and also is great in alleviating nausea and the vomiting feeling. Avocado oil also has folate, which is vitamin B9, which plays a key role in pregnancy and fertility. So it helps to prevent serious birth defects of the brain and spine in the unborn. Avocado oil also has vitamin C, which is called ascorbic acid, which helps to boost immunity. Avocado oil also has potassium, which helps to reduce blood pressure. Now, you can go ahead and cook with avocado oil and bake with avocado oil, and studies show that the heating limitation of avocado oil is 520 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's higher than the coconut oil and the olive oil. So you can go ahead and cook and bake with avocado oil at really high temperatures and get the healthy benefits of the oil itself. Now, there's a huge list of health benefits of avocado oil, but some of which includes it helps to reduce serious eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration because it's a good source of lutein. That's a carotenoid that's found naturally in your eye. It also helps to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. Now, avocado oil contains a plant substance called beta-sitosterol, which helps to reduce cholesterol. So definitely go ahead and incorporate these oils into your diet and lifestyle. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.